Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to design backyard of a house. The house is already designed. First of all, we are going to make a wall on the left side of the house. As you can see here, I have made a wall and selected it into a group. Then for the pillars of the wall, we are going to make a one pillar over here. With the tape measure tool, we are going to measure the distance from the wall like this and give some extensions on both sides of the wall so that the box should be a bit towards outer face of the wall. As you can see, now we will make this box a component. Click on the right side, make it a component. Now the box is a separate component from the base of the wall. We are going to triple click on it and using the push pull tool, the wall is constructed up to 9 feet like this. Making some arrangements. Again, using the push pull tool, the wall is lifted up to 9 feet. You can see that. Now you are going into the copy mode. We are going to select the component, move it with the move tool in the copy mode and place on the other end and divide it by 5. Now you can see that all the pillars have been constructed. For the wall inside the pillars, we are going to select the base of the wall that was in a separate group using the push pull tool up to the height of 8 feet. This fence is created, a fence wall on the side of the wall is created. Now making some copies to be pasted on the other side, turning it 90 degrees. And now it's time for the deck. Making the base of the deck using, first we have made the circle and inside we have made a square, making it a component and moving it towards inside of the circle. Then we are going to select it using the push pull tool up to 1 feet. And making both as a one component. Now for the base pillar of the deck, we are going to construct using the rectangle tool. Here we have constructed a rectangle, making it a component. Then turning it using the push pull tool, we are going to make the pillars for the surface pillars for the deck. Using the push pull tool and some measurements, the deck base pillar is constructed. See, now for the upper surface of the deck, we are going to create a deck using the line tool and the circle tool, like this. As you can see, the deck is created. We have moved up to the height of the gate, and we're using the control move button in the move tool and are making all arrangements under the deck, pillars, space pillars, deck with proper measurements. We are going to design the deck. The detailed tutorial of this deck is on another video. You can watch it on my channel. I'm going to upload it soon. I made a separate video how to construct a deck. Here just I'm going in a speed mode. With proper measurements, I'm going to make all arrangements under the deck using copy tool, move tool, like this. As you can see, the deck is, and we are going to select all and make it one component or group. Now it's time for the upper surface pillars. We have created one pillar and moving it with the proper distance of 7 feet in the copy mode, and making all the upper surface side pillars of the deck. It just takes a little bit time because all the measurements are required properly. The pillars are adjusted with proper measurements using the tape tool. Placing all the pillars. This side takes a bit longer time, so I'm going to make more arrangements. Now the pillar has been constructed and both have been connected. Now to fill these areas, we are going to make some circles on the base, and while making the components, we are going to make some copies of it in between these pillars, and using the push pull tool we are going to fill this space. After that, all will be copied into the empty spaces in between the deck. You can see that I have created circles and also I made some components, dividing it by 7 or 8. Doing this to see that whether what distance looks proper. it is causing some problems. Let's try another attempt. Here, as you can see, I've made copies of it, and by clicking on one of the circles and using the push pull tool, first I have adjusted in between those pillars, and now using the push pull tool I'm shifting them up from below to up like this. This is the final deck patio with the outdoor kitchen and the furniture. I have colored all the bases, pillars, walls. This is how the final look is. For the maximum tutorials, you can watch my other videos. Please subscribe and give it a like to my video.